friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to describe a very easy knitting stitch pattern. Friends, it is also very easy for the absolute beginners. This pattern is only 4 rows pattern and stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 5 plus 4 extra stitches. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, here for the demonstration I have cast on 14 stitches on my needle, 10 multiple of 5 plus 4 extra stitches. So let's start the first row, the right side. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Friends, please also hit the like button and share my video with your friends in your groups and keep supporting me. Thank you. First row, right side. Slip the edge stitch. After that, knit all the stitches in the first row. So let's complete first row by knit all the stitches. Second row, wrong side, slip the edge stitch. After that, purl all the stitches in the second row. So let's complete second row by purl all the stitches. Third row, right side, slip the edge stitch. After that, our pattern will start and the pattern is knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Friends, now we will make 3 stitches from 1 stitch. For that, knit to 1. Now without dropping this stitch, we will make another 2 stitches from here. For that, yarn over and knit the same stitch again like this. Now here 3 stitches are formed, 1, 2 and 3. Now drop this stitch. We will do this for 3 times. So 1 time is here. Again make 3 stitches from 1 stitch. For that, knit to 1. Without dropping this stitch, we will make another 2 stitches from it. So yarn over and knit the same stitch again like this. Now drop this stitch. So 2 time is here. Now for the third time, knit to 1, yarn over and knit the same stitch again like this. Now dropping this stitch. So we will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is knit to make 3 stitches from 3 stitch. So one more repeat is knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Then make 3 stitch from 1 stitch. For that, knit to 1. Without dropping this stitch, again yarn over and knit the same stitch. Now 3 stitches are formed, drop the stitch. Now again make 3 stitches from 1 stitch. For that, knit to 1, then yarn over and knit the same stitch again like this. 3 stitches are formed. Now drop this stitch. One more time, make 3 stitches from 1 stitch. For that, knit to 1, then yarn over and knit the same stitch again like this. Here 3 stitches are formed. Now drop this stitch. So in this way we will complete our third row of the pattern. Last I have 3 stitches. For the last 3 stitches, knit the last 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Fourth row, wrong side, slip the edge stitch. After that her pattern will start, and pattern is purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Friends, now here 3 stitches that formed in a third row. So now we will make 1 stitch from these 3 stitches. For that, yarn in back and knit these 3 stitches together through the back loop, 1, 2 and 3. So knit these 3 stitches together through the back loop. So here 1 stitch is formed from 3 stitches. In third row we have made 3 stitches from 1 stitch, but in a fourth row we have made 1 stitch from 3 stitches. So we will do it for 3 times. So again here 3 stitches. Now we will make 1 from that. For that, knit these 3 stitches together, 1, 2 and 3. Knit these 3 stitches together through the back loop like this. So 2 times is here. Now for one more time, 1, 2 and 3. So knit these 3 stitches together through a back loop, 1, 2 and 3. So knit 3 stitches together through a back loop like this. So we will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is purl 2 stitches, knit 3 stitches together through the back loop for 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. So one more repeat is yarn in front, purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2, yarn in back. Now we will again make 1 stitch from these 3 stitches. For that, knit these 3 stitches together through a back loop, 1, 2 and 3. Knit 3 stitches together through a back loop like this. Again knit 3 stitches together through a back loop like this. Knit 3 stitches together through a back loop. One more time, knit 3 stitches together through a back loop, 1, 2 and 3. So purl 2, knit 3 stitches together through the back loop for 3 times. So last I have 3 stitches, purl the last 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. So friends, after the 4 rows our pattern is ready like this. We will repeat these 4 rows. Now from here we will again start row 1. So we will repeat these 4 rows over and over again until the desired length of our pattern. Friends, when we repeat these 4 rows we will get a pattern like this. Friends, I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting with us. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.